In this video, I'll show you how to fix a black screen on a laptop. First, make sure your laptop is connected to the charger. Check that the charging indicator light is on. If the screen is still black, press the Windows plus Control plus Shift plus B keys together. Wait a few seconds. This keyboard shortcut restarts the graphics driver. Your screen may flicker and turn back on. If the black screen is still there, perform a hard reset. Press and hold the power button for about 30 seconds. Keep holding the button until the laptop turns off completely. Wait another 5 seconds. Press the power button again to turn the laptop back on. That's it. This is how you can fix a black screen on a laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.